Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with permissions and the correct URL. Make sure you can access the Sharepoint site in a browser. Open Power BI Desktop and sign in with the same Microsoft account used for Sharepoint. Once done, choose Get Data and select Sharepoint folder when you need to connect to a folder of files, or select Sharepoint Online List for lists. This choice determines later transforms. Enter the site URL, not a file URL, and click OK to fetch the folder index. You now see a table of files from the Sharepoint folder. Filter by folder path, extension like XLSX or CSV, and date to narrow results. Click Combine Files to open the sample transform window. Power BI creates a sample query and a function that will apply to all files. Edit the sample query so column names, types, and header rows are consistent. This is why you do it now, because the function uses that template across every file you will load. Once transforms look good, choose Close and apply to load into your Power BI model, or publish to Power BI service and create a data flow if you prefer central ETL. After publishing, configure gateway or cloud credentials and set a refresh schedule. Make sure the account has access to Sharepoint. If refresh fails, verify the exact folder path, library settings, user permissions, and that all files match the expected schema. Mismatched columns or hidden files are the most common culprits to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.